Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ended a 6-day streak of net outflows on Monday, with $219 million in daily inflows. Fidelity and BlackRock ETFs led the rebound, driving a majority of the daily net inflows. Oil prices fell, erasing gains from the previous session, as investors watched developments around US tariffs, the war in Ukraine, and the potential disruption of Russian fuel supplies. Gold prices climbed to an over 2-week peak, lifted by safe haven demand, as investor confidence in the US central bank wavered following President Donald Trump's dismissal of a Federal Reserve governor.
The sterling dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial market.